Are you a driven, health-focused and motivated osteopath looking for a progressive and supportive environment? Is that you? Then keep watching, because we want to meet you. I'm Jess, the Principal Osteopath here at Head to Toe Health. Head to Toe Health is a multidisciplinary health clinic providing top-class services to our growing community. We strive to improve our own skill set so that we can better support our patients to achieve their health and lifestyle goals. We do this using a proven step-by-step patient management system, and you'll learn all of it. You'll be there to support our patients, to educate them in health and lifestyle so they can live their best life. We're expanding and looking for a new osteo to join our team, based over 2 locations right here in Springwood, Brisbane and Oxenford on the Gold Coast. We live and breathe osteopathy and health, and we love to come to clinic every day. You must be motivated and want to grow with us. You need to be highly organised, accountable, have a thirst for knowledge and high attention to detail. You thrive on personal development, know the value of coaching and demand excellence of yourself. You're a master communicator and a team player. We want someone who wants to be part of something bigger and to build a career with us. This is a full-time role for an APRA-registered osteopath. Perhaps you're looking for your first role in private practice, or maybe you just haven't found your tribe yet. This could be the role for you. If this is any interest to you at all, we want you to apply. Click the link below to learn more.